Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. Today, as with most of my weekly screencasts, I'll be talking about the reciprocal system and how it compares to conventional theory. But more specifically, we're still looking at the reciprocal system Macrocosmos database. This is the world's only astronomy/astrophysics database for the reciprocal system. In previous weekly screencasts, I've covered the universe as a whole, galaxy clusters and groups, galaxies, star clusters, stars, planets, moons, minor bodies, nebulae, gas and dust, and voids. So there's just one more option here in the astronomical properties box, and that's events. We'll click on that in a moment, but I just want to show you, if I go into any one of these classifications, you can see here a button for events, and you can scroll down and look at all the events for a particular object. But this can be a little bit tedious going through all these. So let's just jump back to the main menu here. And if you just click here on events from the main menu, you go right to here. And then it's possible. Now, right now, as I'm doing this video, I can see I have 2,222 records in here, which is quite a lot. Now, if I want to find all those which pertain to planet Earth, I would go to Find, which is here, and I click on the parent object, Earth, click off of it, and then hit Enter. And now you see we have 226 found. Now then you can go to Table, and you see the list here. And it's a lot easier just going down this way like this, or even doing a page down. Now these are not sorted, but you could sort it if you wanted to. You know, just by clicking here, you could say, let's see, let's clear that, and let's go like event name, move that over, click there, and then hit sort. And that should have everything sorted, and you can see that it is indeed all sorted. So this is just an easier way to look at events. Let's just pick one, anti-crepuscular rays. So from the table layout, we can go to Form, click there, and then we see this. This is from June 24th, 2019. This is from Astronomy Picture of the Day, which is free NASA pictures. And it says here, I won't read the whole thing, I'll just read a few sentences. Is there ever anything interesting to see in the direction opposite the sun? Sometimes there is. Notable items include your own shadow, a shadow of the moon during a total solar eclipse, a full moon and eclipse if the alignment's good enough, a full Earth, planets at opposition, glints from planets, the Gegenschein from interplanetary dust, the center of a rainbow, hall of mountain fog bows, an airplane glory, and something yet again different of your own timing. Clouds in some position are just right. This different effect starts with clouds near the sun that are causing common crepuscular rays to stream through. In the featured rare image taken from an airplane in mid-April, these beams were caught converging 180 degrees around on the opposite side of the sky from the sun, where they're called anti-crepuscular rays. Okay? So very interesting. It's obviously an event having to do with the Earth, so there they are. Interesting. Now you can go back to table again. Just look at all these. I don't know, I'm just going to pick out something. I mean, it's just so many here. Earth's plasmasphere. Let's see what that does. So I'm going to go back to Form. Earth's plasma field. Look at that. And this says, our Earth is surrounded by plasma. The overall shape that this ionized gas plasma sphere takes was discovered last year by NASA's robot image spacecraft and shown in the recently released above image in ultraviolet light. The arm of the plasma sphere pointing toward the sun on the lower right was hypothesized but never before seen directly. The Earth's shadow can be seen pointing away from the sun. Of course, you can read the rest of this. So it's very handy. Of course, you can let's try Mars, for example. So let's do, we got to come back up here. We got to go show all. And then we got to go find. We got to come down here. Let's just look at Mars for a second. Click off the field and then hit enter. And now let's go to table. And, let's sort again. Let's see. If I go here, okay. I'm going to sort, and there we are. It's all sorted. So this is just a little bit easier to use, actually, than the one that's right on the object's record. I don't know, let's just pick something here. Perseverance Valley, that looks kind of interesting. So go back to form. And here we have it. Ooh, look at that. Perseverance Valley Panorama. So look at that. Mars. And I'll just read a couple sentences here. Mars exploration rover opportunities parting panorama from Perseverance Valley spans 360 degrees in this false color mosaic. The scene is composed of 354 individual images recorded through 3 different color filters by the rover's panoramic camera from May 13th through June 10th, 2018. Isn't that interesting? And you can let me just move this up a little bit. Alright, so we can scroll through here horizontally. Isn't this beautiful? Move this up a little bit, yeah. And you get a real feel for the Mars surface with this panoramic view. Alright. Well, there you have it for today. I'm going to go, let's just go back to planets. And let's just close. So there you have it for today. Thanks for your attention. For the simplest possible treatment of the reciprocal system of theory, please obtain my work, The Unmysterious Universe. It has all the concepts, many drawings. It's really the easiest way to understand the theory. It's first published in 1971, it's still in print. You can get it from Amazon.com or transpowercorp.com. Now, if you do want all the mathematics, and I mean all of the mathematics, then please obtain my work, Existence and Interactions, a Computational Treatise of the Reciprocal System, the True Theory of Everything. 711 pages in the PDF file, 711 slides in the PowerPoint file, thousands and thousands of equations, tables, figures, graphs, you name it, it's all there. It'll take you months to go through this work. It basically represents 50 years of my work with the reciprocal system. And then once you're finished with that, you can get these 2 database modules. As I've explained, the Macrocosmos database covers all the astronomy and astrophysics of the reciprocal system. And I'll repeat this. It covers the universe as a whole, galaxy clusters and groups, galaxies, star clusters, stars, planets, moons, minor bodies, nebulae, gas and dust, and voids. Also includes a great graphics package. Now, there's also the Macrocosmos database. This covers solid matter properties, including interatomic distance calculations, valence, specific heat, energy and entropy, thermal expansion, compressibility, electrical and magnetic phenomena, isotopes, and spectra. And then moving on to liquid, vapor, and gas matter properties. The program calculates volume and density, specific heat, energy and entropy, viscosity and surface tension, electrical and thermal conductivity. This module also covers cosmic elements and subatomic particles, the cosmic elements, which conventional theory knows them as mesons, and of course also material and cosmic subatomic particles, as well as photon properties here. This module also includes a good graphics package. Now, my theoretical physics mentor Doobie Larson was also a great theoretical economist, and I've made his work in economics fully computational, just as I've made his work in physical science fully computational. My Optimal Economist software package contains, it's basically a database, and it covers the microeconomics of individuals, especially retirement planning, companies, individual companies, and whole business sectors. And then it covers the macroeconomics of countries and regions. It totally supersedes Keynesian economics. It's easy to apply. I've made it as simple as possible. It also includes a really good graphics program. All right, again, that's it for today. Please, please, please study the reciprocal system. Please subscribe to my channel. You're certainly welcome to add comments. You can ask me questions. If I have the time, I'll answer your questions in the comments. And again, thanks for your attention.